So to start off with this style, as you can see, we have a series of ponytails. Okay, Loc Nation, as you guys can see, I've done the first row of Bantu knots, and I'm going to go ahead and continue and show you how to do Bantu knots. I'm going to go ahead and start here with this ponytail, and we are going to put a rubber band at the end here, just to kind of put the hair together. This rubber band is black and the hair is red, so you're going to be able to see the red rubber band. But of course, if your hair is black, then you won't be able to see this rubber band. Or you could use clear rubber bands for this part if you have colored hair like the mannequin here. So once you have your ponytail toward the end, this is what we have. Now what you're going to do is start to twist. So I'm twisting this just to tighten it up, and you're going to start to wrap this Bantu knot, okay? And you want to twist it so that it'll be tight, all right? Around, just like so. We have our rubber band portion. We're going to tuck that hair under. Tuck it slightly under the bun, just like so. That hair under, like so. You can secure this Bantu knot with a rubber band or a pin. Alright, as you guys can see, I really don't need anything on here, but feel free to secure your Bantu knot with either a pin right here to secure this part, or you can do a rubber band like you see people do. These particular Bantu knots, they're pretty secure. You could use a pin here to secure it, or you could use a rubber band. Definitely secure your Bantu knots. We're going to move on to the next one. I'm going to show you guys how easy Bantu knots are to roll. So again, a rubber band at the end. Have a rubber band at the end. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to twist the hair. Alright, and we're going to start to wrap this. Sorry, move the camera while we're twisting the hair. And we want to kind of make it flat and just go around each other, just like so. And then we're going to like tuck the stragglers. If you guys can see what I'm doing, I'm tucking the stragglers under the braid, just like so. We're really going to tuck it under there. And kind of let the hair cover it. Okay, you can't see the rubber band on my Bantu knot because the rubber band is black and the side ponytail, red. Same thing. We're going to take the hair. We're going to put it in a ponytail toward the end. Just like so. Take the hair and twist it. Okay, now we're going to start our roll. Like so. Again, we're going to do the same thing with the stragglers. We're going to tuck it under, see, tuck it under, push it down, tuck it under. Now this is where you would add a pin if you like. You can put a pin here to secure it, or you can put a rubber band around it to secure it. Alright, but as you can see with this method, you really don't need any rubber bands at all. You don't really need anything to secure it. And there you have it, Loc Nation. Easy Bantu knots. I had to come in and show you guys how to do Bantu knots because this is a lock styling technique that we see being used out here. All right, again, you can see the black rubber bands because the hair is red. All right, easy, simple, fast, cute Bantu knots.